If you want your dishwasher to get your dishes clean, then you've got to clean your dishwasher. It's important to periodically get into that dishwasher and pull out all of those moving pieces to get all the way down to the filter. There's a lot lurking in the bottom of that dishwasher. Start with baking soda, white vinegar, some Castile soap, and natural lemon. These are the things that will help naturally clean all of those moving pieces. Give it generous coating of baking soda followed up with some soap and vinegar, and then really scrub it out, wash it out, rinse it, dry it, and get them back in the way you took them out so that the dishwasher will work properly. And then as a final step, you want to take one bowl with just white vinegar and one bowl with distilled water and lemon and run it through the cycle of the dishwasher to really clean out the inside of the dishwasher. This will make sure that it's spick and span. And then don't forget the trick with the WD-40 to polish up the outside. Now it's ready to go.